Oh yes, check this out. This guy's turning red already. This is gonna be great. Howdy y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm the Handy Monk, and today we're outside in this beautiful weather right next to my garden. This is the first time I'm introducing you all to the garden, and so I want to show you what I have growing here, and we've got a little project planned for today. Point, since everything pretty much is planted, it's just a matter of waiting and relying on Mother Nature to help these plants grow and produce some fruit. However, I do have a little side project regarding garden organization and that hose all over the ground behind me that I want to get to today. So I'm making a little bit of a quick transition here in the video because this afternoon, as I was out recording in the garden, I heard an alarm going off, and you never know quite what the life of a handyman is going to include. So I started to investigate, and it was a fire alarm, fortunately not in the monastery, but actually down at the school. So I went to go check it out, and when I got there, there wasn't a fire taking place, but one of the sprinkler heads in the school for the fire system burst, and there was water coming down through the ceiling, and that's what triggered the alarm. And so the fire department came. I had to call a bunch of the facilities managers, and we came. As you can see, the water was just pouring down through the ceiling, filled the hallway, and was leaking everywhere. So we eventually managed to shut the valve for the fire system off. We swept up the floors, we vacuumed out the carpets and the hallways. But it was an unexpected adventure this afternoon, and one that, you know, a handyman at any time has to be ready to deal with. And so it was a very interesting learning experience. You know, I've never done anything like that before, but, you know, big shout out to the Irving Fire Department. They were great. They came and responded very quickly, were very professional. They even helped us sweep out the hallways and get some of the water out of the building, so they were fantastic. Fortunately, I'm not in charge of everything down at the school, so the ongoing work to replace the carpets, potentially tear out and replace some of the drywall, will not be my responsibility. But we'll see in the future if I have the opportunity to make any videos about it. It's a little bit funny actually, because today is the Feast of Pentecost, and this is traditionally the day when the church celebrates the descent of the Holy Spirit upon the apostles after Easter. And so we didn't have tongues of fire coming down upon us, but we definitely had lots of water coming down upon our heads. We didn't get to the gardening work that I had planned today, and so we'll put that into a future video. I did get a chance to pick some hot peppers and my first radish, and that's really exciting. We tried the hot peppers. The red one was actually still bearable, so that's a good thing. And so I'm looking forward to picking some more of those in the future. We'll see what else comes out, but stay tuned, and remember to go out and kindle and enlighten.